Alright, so it gives us a couple seconds. So we got Billy here. Nice close up. There's Billy. You've seen Billy before. We got Daisy. We got the puppies over there. And I'm showing him this Canon. We can flip this up and that will do a self shot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then if we want to sit down, you bring the table over here, alright? Bring the table. And we can put this up like this, and I can see myself talking. And I'm gonna show them how we upload one, but go ahead and tell them about your day.
It was fine.
What did you do? Anything?
Just was playing Fortnite with my friends.
Cool. Now, we're thinking about having you have your own YouTube video, right? Your own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What are you gonna talk about on it?
I don't know.
Well, what would be interesting? Like the place around here, all the stuff you got?
Yeah, I guess.
Like what kind of toys and fun stuff we got around here?
Like four-wheelers, dirt bikes, all that.
Right. Beautiful property, huh?
Yeah.
We can put that out there, show people what it's like. We also do some grilling, right?
Yeah.
What else? Anything else fun?
Grilling.
Okay.
The dogs.
The dogs, yeah, you got lots of, what's your dogs' names?
Reggie, Tina, and Beulah.
And who's the worst?
Reggie.
Yeah, exactly. Now Reggie would probably make good videos because he's kind of cute, but he's a hellion, right?
Yeah.
So we'll do some videos later, Reggie.
Waddy.
All right. So that's about what we got. Then we can flip this.
Waddy, get down.
Waddy's being love dog. And we'll flip this around this way. I can see it in there, and then we'll just kind of stop the recording, right?
Yeah.
And we'll see you later.